Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are fixing another one of these. So the main aim of today's video is to show you guys how to properly clean the electrical switch on the inside. So I presume the same will be over here because the battery contacts are so close to the power switch on the inside that whenever you try to switch it on and it has been badly corroded, the switch doesn't have continuity on the inside anymore. So just to give you guys a quick idea, here we go. So you can see this, a bunch of corrosion down there. So over here, as you guys can see, there's a bunch of corrosion on the inside. So let's quickly get these ones in here just to show you it is not turning on. Power lights doing nothing. So yeah, and these batteries do kind of work. Almost flat, but not really. So let's, without any further ado, you know what's coming. I have the setup a little bit different over here today, so you'll be able to see the soldering a lot better, which I'm looking forward to. I hope it works. Alright, now that we are in here again, let's remove that. Remove the tabs like you normally do over here, and pull a little bit forward and just wiggle this one out. Good. So no corrosion over there. And then just the massive corrosion over there. Oh, crusty. Ugh. Oh, look at the dust bunnies, man. Nasty. But other than that, pretty much what you would expect. No bad corrosion over there. Oh, no corrosion over there, which is good. This is usually where you see some. Yep. Over there on the terminals. Oh boy, this one is bad. That's pretty horrible. That's pretty horrible. It's good, they are doing their thing in over here, and we need to continue the disassembly. So, to remove this, all you need to do is, then you get the corner up like that, and once it's up, you just put your nail underneath and just let it relax, and there it goes. There it goes. Okay, then that comes off like that. As you guys can see, there's some weird circle doohickey-doo-haws going on over there. So yeah, so this we're gonna put on the top of the workbench. This we're gonna put there next to it. There we go. Then this one will just slide out. Some slight corrosion on the pins, but not really all that obvious, but we're gonna throw that in there nonetheless because it does feel funny. And then we need to remove the battery cover with a Phillips screw. So let's quickly do that. These screws look perfectly fine. Whoopsies. So I don't see any problem using them. Just as they are. There we go. And that one can go to the side. This one can go over there. Alright, now for a cleanup of the board like we've done the previous episode. Alright, so for the battery terminal, I'm just gonna give it a kachoinks in the water over here. Because there's 3 different pads on the inside making connections. We'll have a better look at that once we get there, but I just want to explain it while this is on. So when it's in that position, you need to have continuity from there to there. But let me just get this thing on. So you need to have continuity between those pins. So what you guys are listening for is this. But as you can see, there's a fuse as well that doesn't look too great. But nonetheless, so we need to have continuity from there to there, which we do not. We need from here to here, which I doubt, because so that's still fine. Then when the switch is all the way to that side, you want to have continuity from here to here, which we do not, which is great. That means we can most likely fix this one over here. One thing I'm concerned about is this one. Oh, it still has continuity. You can see the corrosion chowed through this thing, man. But nonetheless, do we have continuity through the fuse? How in the world? Okay, so we do. So we can just clean up a little bit better over there. But yeah, so we're gonna get out the soldering station and we're gonna just clean up a bit over here. We're gonna remove the shell. So we're gonna remove this one over here and we're gonna remove this one and we're just gonna clean on the inside. So I'm gonna show you guys just how easily that can be done. But you need to bear with me because I need to make this thing balance. Just like that. Alright. So hopefully I have that set correctly now, and we're gonna have a little bit less dangerous soldering going on than the previous episode, which is good. Let's see if we can just reflow this quickly. Looks like we can. Yeah, so you guys can see that released over there. Now we need to do that side. Okay, then we need our tweezers. Okay, and as soon as it releases, there we go. So that's the one side released. Now we just need to get the other side for you. Ooh, it looks nasty. Alright, then we're just gonna apply some solder on this side. Get it back under the microscope for you. There we go. So now the moment of truth. The shell should come off. Boom, just like that. And then we have this one over here, just nicely removed. We place it in our parts. compartment, and then this is the pistolet resistance, why everything has gone pear-shaped. This one actually does not look that bad. But let's quickly clean it, and then you guys will see what should have been over here. So I'm just gonna start with some vinegar. If there's any battery acid in there, as you can see, we have some. And already it's cleaning up quite nicely. And I want to get to the back areas here as well. But yeah, okay, let's get our tweezers. So what usually works well for me, so you'll see this contact needs to go all the way to the back here. Usually, no, they don't. Not in this one. And you just give them a good wipe down. And also the bottom contacts of the switch itself needs a good clean from time to time. As you guys can see, there's some good corrosion over there. But this I'll do offline or off camera over here on this bench, because I cannot do the work I need to do under that microscope. So if I can just show you guys. So over here we have those two pins. They do the bridging. Ooh. They do the bridging of the copper between the pads. So you need to get rid of all the corrosion over there. And then what I normally do, I just bend them ever so slightly. Let me show you. So that those contacts, as you can see, they will go across, bridging the different contact points in the switch. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean this quickly, and then we're gonna put everything back together. So as you guys can see, the corrosion in here was pretty bad, but let's put this back. Good, so that's on there again like it should be, and then we're gonna take our cover over here. Just gonna place it down over here. And no one would even know. They're not gonna know. Then we're gonna flux it up. Oh, don't mind that, that's just my stand. I'll put some flux over here. Some flux over here. I'm still not used to soldering under a microscope, man. And we're just gonna solder it up, push it down. It's not pretty, but it works. Now for the other side. Just be careful, we have a very tiny component over there. I think that's it. Yep, looks good. Let's get some extra light for you guys over there. As you can see, that's pretty solid. And then that's pretty solid. Not pretty, but no one said it has to be pretty. It just needs to work. And while you're learning, nothing will be pretty. Okay. And if you don't learn, you're never gonna do. And if you don't do, you're never gonna learn. You're not seeing anything. Alright, so that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you repair the switch, if the switch is the main fault. There we go. Let's double check our repair. Alright, so this side should be in continuity. There we go. And then if you slide it all the way that side, this side needs to be in continuity, which it's a bit of a hit and a miss, it seems. Oh boy. It will be fine. It will be fine. Alright, let me clean up all the components over here. And then get everything sorted out, because I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to see me scrub things with a toothbrush. And then, and it's mine from this morning. Yeah. So, but things that are satisfying. If there's still dirt in there, just to like, ooh, get it out. That always looks good. So yeah, as you can see already, this looks like a brand spanking new Game Boy. So yeah. This is what I'm gonna do now about the sync. I don't like doing this by my PC, for obvious reasons. And yeah, we'll be right back. So which one are we doing today? So we're gonna make sure both of them work. Alright. Nice. Oh, what? So the A works, but it is not, like, as you can see, it's a bit recessed. But it works. It's like very sensitive, but at least all the buttons work. And start. Save and continue. That's our inventory. And then yeah, so all our buttons are working just fine. Nice. And let's try a GBA game. GBA ROM, I think it. I don't really have GBA games anymore. Yeah, so I need to replace this membrane. Because it doesn't click at all. So this is Dragon Ball Z Legacy of Goku. Oh baby. So yeah, the screen looks pretty scratched, but like IRL it's not that bad. I mean, it's still GBA. So this one might be worth keeping for a like a kit or something in the future. So yeah, now we need to use our full might. As you can see, like it hits when I press, but it's just not that between. Look at the button, like, and there. So yeah. Oh boy. Let's break a rock. Good. Now on the next one, use your chi-chis. Where's a good angle for you guys? Oh, this is looking good. Hiya! Alright, so we've confirmed everything works. Let's put the last few screws back, and then that will be it for today. So yeah, we've managed to fix this. It was a fun fix. If you guys enjoyed seeing how the switches work and all of that, let me know down below. So yeah, we have a functioning switch, which is what we wanted, and that's what we got. So I'm pretty happy about that. The condition of this one compared to the previous ones I've done so far is not great. So we might use this one to do some modding in the future, or if someone wants to buy it off of me off Facebook Marketplace, then I'll let it go easily and happily. But yeah, so that's another one fixed and working again. So not going to the bin at least, and that's a good part, and that's the important part. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, leave your thumbs up, share the love, share the video, then I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers guys, bye.